Oh, good one, Cam.
Time to hurry up.
I don't even know me too, so the number would have got me down there somehow.
You can go.
Yeah,
it's merging, you can go.
Visit the website, search Building Our Future. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra, spoken by anyone. Fuel prices go up. Fuel prices go down.
Turn right, merge to the right now. Go on that lane.
Which
What
one?
Cam? What about Cam? Yeah, see, everyone's trying to go to this lane.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get back over that way. Not only get oh mate, you're going to use M7 now. That's right, you can go to my place. Oh, but just buy me a room. It's a bit messy. Yeah, you're probably going to say my room's probably messier than your kids.
We're teaming up with BCF to create
Yeah,
the
what a problem
ultimate
it is.
campsite for a family of 4. We've set up a tent.
Close at one end, close at the other end, close near the TV, close on the bed.
Settling, not set up or pack up. And you'll take home some BCF vouchers too. Plus our lucky runners-up could also win one of 5 $500 BCF vouchers. Just head to the Triple M win page now. BCF, the camping experts.
Oh, what?
It's a massive truck.
Yeah.
Mad spots if I can break
Of all
down.
spots.
V8 supercars pack. A big thanks to everybody who just called through for the big question about ACDC. Lawrence, it's great to see people with such emotion on the show, isn't it? Like, I thought that there was, blokes quite close to having an actual the idea of ACDC being no longer. But, just come from the corporate world and they have one of the race. Yeah. It's just been a pretty good race.
You know what makes it worse?
What?
We're in the M7 lane,
Yeah.
and your trucks want to go on the M7, and you're going to have like cars like blocking him. Oh, that's why it's a heavy recovery.
Melbourne cafe owner and gangland lawyer has been gunned down overnight in a trajectory professional hit. There were reports of
No, it's a dog and trailer.
Yep. Four bloody spots.
Morning from 6, kick-off bang on 7. And we'll play Nick Kyrgios' latest kissing fit. Tigers Manly live tonight. Bet live with Sportsbet. It's now fast and easy. Bet on during the game with Sportsbet. Gamble responsibly.
The Nissan Double Bonus is now on. Great deals on some of the most popular Nissan models. Get the cash
Let's talk about some of the teams that are joining the boys. On the AFL side, you've got Brent Mahar, Jack Viney from the Melbourne Demons, and of course Kevin Sheedy. Yeah, what's Sheeds like?
He woeful at late and he can muster a bunch of blokes and bring them back from half time to create one of some of the greatest comebacks in sporting history. Does not understand how to play the feud. However, wait till you see the end result.
Oh, okay, all right.
Who's the go-to
Oh,
in the end?
Who is it? Oh, God. You got Preston Campbell and Robbie Kearns.